Hi friends, today is a super excited day and I want to share this excitement with you because that thing behind my back on the screen, it has come out of it. Today I received my author copies from Amazon.com and the package has come and that beauty is right here. Okay, we are going to open it. Here is the tool, scissors, and we are going to do with it this very good thing. If tricky. I think I should tear it apart like this. Oh my god. What is this? I think this is the custom duty bill laid by the government of my country. Put it here, okay? This is the address of the sender and the receiver. Put it right here, and here we go. Okay, this way. It is tough packing, really. I should be careful so that my sweet hearts may not get hurt by the scissors. Where it goes? Where the thing goes? Just a minute, please. Mr. Saifullah, you are more eager. These are a lot of tapes on it. Okay. Oh, wait a while, please. There it goes. This thing I have to remove still. But how? Like this. If not like this. I have to be cruel. Otherwise, it doesn't listen to me. Here it is. It is amazingly beautiful, no doubt. Oh my god. I already knew that Amazon doesn't make compromise on the quality, but now I have seen it. Amazon quality is the best quality. Okay, and here are more of them. Order. Okay. Here are beauties. You can check it. Here are beauties. Here's my book name, my name, and this is my book. Here it is. These are 21 copies. I ordered 21 copies. Some readers say that this poem is a masterpiece. Some readers say that this poem is a masterpiece. I also like this poem. I wrote after spending a lot of time, after waiting. Okay. Here are the books. These are the copies. My Amazon. Here it is. Beautiful, amazingly beautiful. Right here we have the shipper's address, Amazon.com LLC, West Columbia, United States, and other these papers. Put this aside and let's see the book.
Here is the front, Essence of English Intellectual Life, book title, author's name, and here we have the back. Here is the ISBN number. The copyrights are reserved through this number. Let's see now what is inside the book. This is white paper and it is really beautiful. I had another option actually. As far as the paper is concerned, I had another option. I could choose cream paper. The books with cream paper are much thicker, but I preferred white because it has grace and beauty. If I had chosen cream paper, my book would have been much thicker than this. But it's good, it's not that bad. Most of all, it is beautiful, and that matters a lot to me. Okay, there is another thing that I want to show you, and that is my poems by Mazam Ali. Here we have, and here we have the ending of the book. What is this? Made in the USA, Columbia, SC, 9 August 2020, almost 15 days back. It took 15 days reaching here. It is not that much time, but if we look at the distance, it is very short time, I think. Okay friends, stay safe, stay blessed. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.